Sookie, sookie.
I'm a little nervous. Let's go ahead and begin. So the first product that I'm gonna grab is my Lactane. This is the Precious Mist. And I love the way, like when you shake it, how it sounds. It sounds like a paint spray. Now that the look is almost complete, I am gonna take my Revolution. This is the Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing, okay. I've been loving my toolkit from Icona Lashes. This all comes in your toolkit, so you get some tweezers, eyelash application, you get your scissors to cut your lashes or to, you know, clean up your... The look is complete. Oh, my lips are tingling. Woo! Get that Scorpio tattoo. It will be probably in here because I have a beauty mark or a birthmark, not a beauty mark, a birthmark right here. So I would probably get it on this side. So when I flex, I could be like those girls on Instagram when they're like catching the product, like, oh crap, I dropped it, never mind. So you guys know I am obsessed with the highlight and contour palette. Nope, nope, nope. What are you doing? I can see you. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Wow, I'm like in... And I've been loving the Eco Style. This is the Black Castor. This is the Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil. Okay, now my hair has been washed. I need a quick... I'm ready. Come on, I'm ready. There's some matte shades. There are some pigment. I am gonna grab my Ben Nye Banana Powder, and this is in the shade
And what I'm gonna use first, I'm gonna give her...
The first product that we are going to start out with...
Wait, aren't you gonna introduce who I am?
No, I'm gonna do an intro for that. Goodness gracious. Dun, 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 dun. I can never... My sister's calling me. 2 seconds. Hey, I'm filming. Can I call you right back?
What?
I'm filming. Can I call you right back?
Oh, my bad. Sorry. Bye.
Oh, okay, bye. If you are new to my channel, hello. My name is Natasha. Okay, I don't know what that wave was. So since I combined all those questions, so with that being said, the second skin product I want to talk about is my Biore strips. These Biore strips, hey everyone, welcome back to my...
I wanted to be wrong. Like, I didn't want him to have done that to me.
Hey everyone! To all of my new subscribers, hello. I see you guys. I appreciate the support. Do not forget to continue to comment, to like, and all the people who have not seen my... Okay, girl, for some reason I have a song, La-di-da-di. We likes to party. We don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody. I don't know where that came from, but okay. I had to move, my leg kind of fell asleep. So the first thing I'm gonna grab, I am going to put the Opio Glow in my, I am gonna take Opio Glow and I'm gonna put that under my brow. So if you guys want to get, if you wanna know more, if you need to know more about me, no, let me do this right, hold Hold please. Oh, quick, another side note. There's like a guy in my neighborhood that rides his motorcycle up and down the street. So if you guys can hear it, I'm so sorry. He does this all the time. And I'm like, what action movie are you like trying out for? I get it, but dude, go home. If you are watching my video and you never had a parent sit you down and grease your scalp, it's okay. But this is what happens in Black families. Your mom has to grease your scalp because our scalps get super dry.
I guess.
Action. Okay, party people, let's get this makeup look going. Okay, yay! I like really just like sitting here and talking to you guys. Like this just feels so good. Like I could do this all day.
Bruh.
Okay, let's first take a sip. Oh, that mirror, that table. Move that table.
You can still see the table?
Yep. So I'm gonna grab my Gerard Cosmetics. This is in the, I'm gonna grab my Gerard Cosmetics. My eye keeps freaking twitching. Who is talking about me? Stop it. No, keep doing it. Word of mouth is great. Bruh. Let's go ahead. Let's get this conversation not so. Let me keep moving on with these questions. What is your favorite coffee you order? Now that I have my eyes kind of how I want them, I'm gonna take my Essence. This is the super long eyeliner. Oh, super last. Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is, okay, that. So the first thing we're gonna do is moisturize her face. I don't know why she's smiling so hard. That goes here. So the stuff is what I'm using first, and let's go ahead and get started. Hey, y'all know I am feeling myself right now.
Hello?
I'm done. Now the first brushes I want to talk about. If I don't get this on your eye right now. Let's go ahead. Now that my face is almost done, before I apply my lipstick, I am gonna spay, okay? Of course, I want this routine to be simple for you, so. So you guys already know the routine. I start with a fresh canvas. Oh, I didn't mean to call you. Wrong person. Let's take down our braids. Take your time taking down your braids. You want your curls to stay.
It's a blooper.
So the first product I'm gonna grab is my Yes 2. This is from the brand Yes, okay. While I'm letting my lashes dry, I have that song in my head. Wasted, something, 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 wasted. Hey everyone, moving right along. Let's keep this show going. You guys already know I gotta have a sip. these videos is just helpful for me because I'm being helpful to you. Make sense?